So today we got some Jolibee. Amir's eating the spoon already. I try to get a little bit of everything, spaghetti, chicken. I've never been here myself, so we'll see how it is. So we got some crispy chicken, some spaghetti, apparently they're really famous for, and a little bit of french fries just in case you don't like anything. As you can tell, she can't wait. She's already eating the fries. First things first, we're gonna try to give her the spaghetti. Amira, Amira? Next, we're gonna try the chicken. Just a little bit of skin. What do you think? Mmm. Thanks, Amira. Time on eating with Amira.